Hi and welcome to Avinash Singh YouTube channel. It is all about tax drones and tourism.
Traveling is not about the destination. Embrace the journey. Preserve this moment. But with what? Handwriting? Cameras? Choose wisely. We are the directors of our lives. Seeking the most beautiful environments and spotting the perfect angle to experience your grandest adventures. All of this is possible with the Zeno. Smart and portable, no matter where you go, digitally capture your own motion pictures wherever you wish. It's your cameraman. Using image tracking, it follows and records at leisure. Capture the fondest of memories wherever you go. With a 3-axis gimbal for stable images, multi-angle aerial photography for recording, ability to record 4K videos, and attention to every detail, brings lively color and vivid images to your photography. Your gain is far more than what you can see. Equipped with f2.2 aperture and wide-angle lens, discover the fun in photography. Ultra HD 4K captures more than you can imagine. Focus distance is from 2.5 meters to infinity, making aerial lens comparable to filming quality. If you don't go out, you will never know how big the world is. Bring Zeno, 1,000-meter transmission distance with 23 minutes flight time. Get a wider view of the world. With a flying speed of 8 meters per second, flying does not stop here. What is the true meaning of the word convenience? Take off, land, and return at the touch of a button. Every location precisely calculated. The Zeno's stable hover and easy flight. Everything begins, proceeds, and ends in simplicity. The world is a big place, but not too much for the Zeno. Excellent panoramic features. Let aerial photography be full of joy. Line fly mode. The aircraft flies in a straight line at a specified angle, precise and elegant, like a meteor in the sky. Waypoint mode. Create missions and draw routes to your liking. The Zeno will fly exactly as you command, simply and efficiently. When we design the Zeno, we ask ourselves, why fly according to custom and trend? More ingenious design. Headless mode. You only need to specify a flight direction before taking off. Enjoy the aerial photography and experience the fun of flying. Break limits associated with traditional aerial photography, whether you are surfing, hiking,
What kind of racer ignites your passions? One with intense power? Perhaps a sturdy frame? Or a racer with extraordinary
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like when she leaves, I slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting round, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret, you will not regret me. Lying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
Agile of systems and speed, UAV pilots around the world. The faster, more passionate flights that stretch for longer distances.
It's just me and you.
Featuring an SOC or charging, and wireless charge. Increase your forays into acrobatics and perform 360-degree tumbles and rolls. Experience the exhilaration of going into
MAVIC is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses the latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. MAVIC is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
Sensor technology and the Umbrella H2 image processor, EVO captures every stunning moment at 60 frames per second, up to 100 megabits per second. Precision glass optics and a 94-degree field of view provide sharp, clear images like this. Computer vision is the next evolution of obstacle avoidance. Binocular vision sensors on the front of EVO and 2 on the bottom help EVO create a 3D world and recognize its surroundings. These sensors combined with the camera allow EVO to track and recognize its subject while still avoiding obstacles in its path. EVO still has you covered when flying in reverse with rear-facing IR obstacle avoidance. EVO keeps up with fast-moving subjects and records action like never before. An intuitive controller that is easily mastered operates EVO even without a mobile device. The 3.3-inch OLED screen displays basic telemetry as well as live view from the camera. The all-new Autel Explorer app downloads to your mobile device and unlocks EVO's full potential. A familiar design, intelligent flight modes, and the 1080p live view make the Autel Explorer app a very powerful tool. Change color profiles and camera settings for a streamlined post-production workflow.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Your support is always appreciated.